Hello guys, you are watching Infotainment Corner and welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to explore some benefits of kitchen gardening. Kitchen gardening is a very healthy hobby to invest your time in. So without any further ado, let's start the video. But before that, I request you to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well. So the first benefit of kitchen gardening is you are growing some very healthy vegetables for yourself. When you grow vegetables for yourself, you ensure that no synthetic fertilizers are being used in your garden, as these synthetic fertilizers are very harmful for our health. It's quite obvious that a commercial gardener will use these synthetic fertilizers, and the vegetables you are going to buy from a grocery store do have those harmful effects in those vegetables. So by getting into this hobby, you are going to grow some healthy vegetables for yourself. Well, the next big benefit of kitchen gardening is that you are going to save a lot of your money that you normally spend on grocery. It's quite obvious that starting this hobby might be a little bit costly, but once you get into this activity, you are going to save a lot of your money and you are getting your vegetables at a very low cost. So if you are looking for some cost cutting in your budget, do look for this hobby. Well, the biggest advantage of kitchen gardening is that you are investing your time in a very healthy activity. Like other hobbies, kitchen gardening is not heavy on your pocket. Rather, it is going to save a lot of your money in future. And alongside this advantage, you are going to invest your time in a healthy activity. When you get involved in this activity, then no player on earth can beat the pleasure of seeing your veggies grow. And then kitchen gardening will turn into a very mind-refreshing activity for you. And you are going to enjoy this activity in your leisure time. Well, the next big advantage of kitchen gardening is that you are going to create a very beautiful outlook for your yard. Green plants of your vegetables and different colored flowers give a very beautiful vibe to your courtyard. As someone said, scenery is greenery, so by growing vegetables in your garden, you are going to enjoy a very refreshing look outside. Well, the last advantage of kitchen gardening we are going to explore in this video is that it will not only be a healthy activity for yourself, but also for your families and for your children. If you succeed in building their interest in this activity, you are going to save a lot of their time in useless activities. Once they get involved in this activity, they would love to spend their time in the garden.